I think my car sounds pretty beastly with a cold start, which let me show you. I don't think that sounds bad. However, Gabe's car is a little different.
If it cold starts.
I'm sure it will cold start.
Because it's been. Remember, I went to get lunch.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a very, very long time, and I hope you guys can hear me and see me. Obviously, we have Gabe's car here. We have... Oh, whoa. Hold up. There we go. Can we do this? Yeah. As you can see, Temari's in drag mode. If everything works out, Wednesday, we're going to OSW to test and tune. But I just want to leave you a question, and that question is, what do you think the car will run at OSW? She's full bolt-ons, CV fab treatment. We have, what else do we have? Intercooler, charge pipes, intake. What else?
This is so. You're asking me this. Okay, so intercooler, charge pipe, down pipes. Don't you have a race port?
Yes.
You have a race port, E30, your stock turbo, and you got bigs and littles.
Yes.
So you got all the bolt-ons.
And we have UPR vertical links,
And catch can.
PD tune, obviously because we're running 30, and a trans tune. So, this Wednesday, weather permitting, bigs and littles, what do you think the car will run? The best we had in the 8th mile was what, a
Like a high 7.
high 7? No, it was an 8.0.
8.0.
We didn't even break into this high 7s yet. So, goal was for the car to go 11s. So that's still the goal, which hopefully with the bigs and littles we can achieve that. And there's other people that have like the NX2 and the Com Turbo and stuff, and they're going well into the 11s. But we're still on stock turbo, full weight with me inside the car. So what I need you to do is down below, let me know what you think the car will run, and whoever's the closest, I guess they'll win a sweater, like a Parker Performance sweater. I know this is a Parker Performance shirt, but we also have sweaters. So do that. Let's talk to Gabe about what are your current plans with the car?
Current plans. Well, currently to go what it has a quarter 18 manifold, LTH headers, AWE track catback. Next process is going to be adding the new drive shaft, the lockouts, and the lockouts for the diff, and then we need to get a tune on it. It does need to be retuned.
And then what's your goal as far as what about? I heard you say nitrous.
So the goal has changed due to some life scenarios. He just to mention, he hates it when I say this word, and I love it.
Gabe says scenario as much as I say on a video, like all day, every day. Well, the scenario would be if the scenario changes on the scenario, it's like a type, like what is it, a Tribe Called Quest. You know, here we go, yo. So what's this scenario? That's Gabe. I should make that your theme song. For later. But for now.
Back to me. All glorious me. No, I have the idea of, since there is a little bit budgeting scenario with me, that I'm going to use nitrous. I do want to eventually go twin turbos, but for now, I think we're going to do E85 nitrous, and we're going to call it a day with that, and hopefully I would love to run 10s with it, and that would be spectacular. So
Gabe's car is a 16 manual, so MT82 GT, so it's not like 1080, 680 craziness. It's all manpower,
Yeah.
whatever.
Oh, and McLeod clutch.
Oh, McLeod clutch and short throw shifter
And short throw shifter.
from MGW Barton.
MGWX.
MGWX. Okay, so Gabe can shift. Like when Gabe is in the zone, he's on the money, like all the time. It's when it comes to corners that Gabe struggles a little bit. But drag racing, he's on point. Let me show you what we have here. For Gustavo, which I don't even know if you'll watch this video. And I mean, whatever. Whipple, supercharged. Of course, the RTR. This close to being on the road. I swear, it's this close. I cannot wait to show you this thing not in this shop. And then we have a back car waiting completion. I did see... Where did she go?
Cat.
Eco.
Eco's out there.
She's outside?
Yeah, she's right there.
Where?
Right there.
That's our shop cat. Oh, wait, let me adjust the ISO. That's a shop cat Eco. Pardon the wind. But that's a shop kitty. That's another car. That's a trailer. But we've been doing very, very well in the shop. Ooh. Almost made a boo-boo. Anyway. Biggest point being is that we are revamping, redoing some stuff. You're going to see a lot more of me, more in the day in the life sort of stuff. But I'm super excited because we have some stuff in here that needs to go in the car. We'll talk about that at some point. And of course, we'll bring you more content with Gabe's car, whatever piece of shit I managed to pick up. And, of course, the infamous RTR. So again, let me know what you think the car will run. Let me know what you think he'll do. If you want to support the channel, ppfl.com. All your car part needs. I don't care if it's a Honda. I don't care if it's a Mustang. I don't care if it's a Camaro. We got you. It's not over until you win. Right, Gabe?
Yep. Not over till you win.
Wednesday. Fingers crossed. Track time. We'll see you then. Peace out. Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? If you'd like to support the channel, support me, and support the boys, the best thing to do for you is go to our website, which is ppfl.com. Here you can find anything you need as far as your Mustang, Camaro, or Challenger are concerned at the moment. If you want to get an EMS short block, we can hook you up with a short block. We can hook you up with a long block. If you want some PD tuning magic, we have great combo packages. We also have combo packages for CV Fab and many other products available. If you have anything outside of the usual muscle car group, just go ahead and shoot us a message. We are on Facebook and on Instagram. We have many customers that drive Civic Type Rs, S2000s, Nissan 350Zs, and the odd Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Name drop or car drop, whatever. Point being is that your support lets us make these videos and keeps us moving forward, which, as you guys know, it's not over until we win, and we can't win without your guys' support. So check out the website. Show some love.